Hi everyone, my name is Sandra Sinje and I am a year 3 civil engineering student from Makerere University in group 3. We were tasked to talk about earth moving equipment. For example, we have bulldozers, excavators, and we explain more about them, let's say the cost, the capacity, the health and safety, how we're supposed to use them, where they use, the applications, and so much more. I'm going to introduce this topic. Construction equipments are one of the very important resources of modern construction, especially in infrastructure projects. Such projects utilize equipment for most of the works, including earth-moving operations, aggregate production, concrete production, and displacement, and so on. In fact, one can think of any major construction activity without the involvement of construction equipment. There are different types of construction equipment suitable for different activities in a construction project. The choice of construction equipment defines the construction method, which leads to the determination of the time and cost for the project. I'm going to introduce earth-moving equipments are used in construction industry to shift amounts of earth to dig foundations and landscape areas. And the types of earth-moving equipment may include power shovels, backhoes, bulldozers, dumpers, graders, trenchers, and loaders. Power shovel. These are used primarily to excavate earth and load it into trucks or tractor-pulled wagons or onto conveyor belts. They are capable of excavating all classes of earth except solid rock without prior loosening. The basic parts of power shovels, as you can see, include mounting, cab, boom, dipper stick and bucket, or dipper and undercarriage unit, power unit, undercarriage unit, hoist and loading assembly, which is used for hoisting the dipper and loading the material onto the predetermined place. It is essentially consists of a ridged boom and dipper stick, which is strongly built to withstand impact loading while excavation is taking place. To operate the shovel in favorable condition, i.e. economically, it will be necessary to reduce the depth of penetration of the dipper face. As you can see in that picture, the construction and working of our shovel. In that one, we have compared the old and the new shovel. Then the application of power shovels, you can use them. They are capable of digging very hard materials, suitable for close range work, can remove big size boulders, and it is used in various types of jobs such as digging in gravel banks, clay pits, digging cuts in road works and roadside bumps, etc. A backhoe, also called a rear actor or back actor, is a piece of excavating equipment or digger consisting of a digging bucket on the end of the two-part articulated arm. They are typically mounted on the back of the tractor or a front loader. The section of the arm closest to the vehicle is known as the boom, and the section which carries the bucket is known as the dipper or dipper stick. The boom is attached to the vehicle through a pivot known as a king post, which allows the arm of the slew left and right, usually through a total of around 200 degrees. Modern backhoes are powered by hydraulic. Application of backhoes. It is the most suitable machine for digging below the machine level, such as trenches, footings, basements, and many others. It can be efficiently used to dress or trim the surface, avoiding the use of manual effort for dressing the excavated surface. As you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. You can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and a bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. You can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture parts of the back wall. It has a curb, a stick, a buckle, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. You can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. You can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. You can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. You can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket. Then you can see that picture, parts of the backhoe. It has a cab, a stick, a backhoe, excavate, tractor, loader, stabilizer legs, boom, and the bucket.
My name is Gideon Ezekiel, a civil engineering student at Makerere University, and I'm going to discuss about a bulldozer as part of our assignment. A bulldozer is a large, powerful tractor. It can be a truck type or a chain type, with the front used to push large quantities of soil, sand, or any other material. Flattens areas of ground during construction or conversion work, and typically equipped at the rear with a crawler-like device known as a whipper to use densely compacted materials. The term a bulldozer is often used erroneously to mean any heavy equipment, but actually the term refers to a truck fitted with a dozer blade. Parts of a bulldozer, as you can see in that picture, we have a blade. The blade has a cutting edge, and the other parts are crawler tractor, a whipper. Types of bulldozers. We have a crawler bulldozer. A crawler is sometimes referred to as a truck bulldozer and looks most similar to a tractor. This heavy machine is great for moving heavy materials from one area to another. This bulldozer is ideal for traversing dense and irregular terrain since the truck gives its great traction. Larger crawlers have whippers that assist with crushing and clearing dense terrains. As you can see in that picture, the key features, that's how it looks. Crawler bulldozer. We have a wheel bulldozer. This machine is sometimes referred to as a tire bulldozer and is normally larger than a crawler. A wheel bulldozer is more maneuverable than a crawler since its tires offer better overall handling. It has completely actuated hydraulic steerings and moves on a small axis. This machine is ideal to use for soft and sensitive ground since the tires are gentler than trucks. That's the picture. The key features: operates on a smaller axis that allows easier maneuvering, great for moving through soft surfaces, leveling and moving materials. Ideal work sites, grounds, stadiums, water parks. The other type of a bulldozer we have Sheepfold. A sheepfold dozer is for moving cargo in and out of commercial vessels. They are designed with a compact size and high maneuverability so they can easily operate on smaller spaces. These bulldozers are especially used for loading and unloading cargo shipped overseas, such as coal. These dozers are often made with rust-resistant materials, making them more sustainable for maritime works. That's the picture. Key features: compact design and rust-resistant construction make these dozers ideal for working near the ocean. Great for moving raw goods such as coal on and off commercial ships. Ideal work sites: maritime environments such as commercial ports. The other type of a bulldozer we have a mulcher bulldozer. A mulcher dozer is specialized for clearing land. Its mulching attachment is easily shreds, grinds, and clear large pieces of land. These dozers can clear trees, brushes, and shrubbery to prepare the land for development. The mulcher attachment allows the bulldozer to clear the land while acting as a wood chipper to grind the vegetation into a smaller piece. That's the picture. Then key features: mulching attachment that shreds and grinds large pieces debris while clearing the land. It's great for preparing land for development. Then ideal work sites: properties zoned for residential or commercial development. Hybrid bulldozers are ideal for construction and other tasks where emissions and fuel consumption is a concern, while fairly new to the market. Hybrid bulldozer engines use traditional international combustion engine technology combined with electronic components, leaving a smaller carbon footprint. These machines are as powerful as your traditional bulldozer and extremely versatile. And that's the picture. And key features: the electric motor assist systems provide extra power while reducing. It's great for lowering fuel consumption while providing just as much power as traditional dozers. Ideal work sites: construction, landfills, and mining operations, while emissions are a concern. Mini bulldozer. This smaller bulldozer is also known as a compact bulldozer. A mini bulldozer is great for projects that require more maneuverability and versatility than large machinery. Thanks to its smaller size, a compact bulldozer can perform well in different projects that require tasks like grading and clearing roads. That's the picture. Key features: small size allows for better speed, handling, and overall versatility. It's great for quickly working through jobs and traversing tight spaces. Ideal work sites: driveways, residential, snowfield areas. How to choose a bulldozer? There are many different bulldozer types and sizes and weights to choose from depending on your project, the type of terrain you're working on, your project type, and other criteria are key factors to consider when selecting a bulldozer. The right machine is also crucial for both efficiency and safety of your project. Identify its purpose. Are you leveling the ground, pushing materials? Analyze the work site. Do you need to maneuver in a tight space? Consider the terrain. Are you working on a hard or soft surface? Pinpoint material types. What type of earth are you moving? What is its density? Then we also talk about bulldozer levels. The D level refers to the machine size and capacity. Here is the breakdown. Small dozers, these ones range from D3 to D5. And small dozers, we can have a cut type, D3 to D5. You can have a Komatsu D20 to D40, then a joinery 450 or 650. Then these small dozers are suitable for small scale projects, landscaping and agriculture. We have medium dozers. These ones range from D6 to D8. We have cut D8, cut D6 to D8, that is 120 to 200 HP. Then we have a Komatsu D50 to D80, and then a joinery 750 to 1050. Then medium dozers are ideal for construction, road maintenance, and medium scale mining. Large dozers. These ones range from D9 to D11. These types can have cut D9, D10, can have also a Komatsu of D155 to D375, can have a joinery 1550 to 2050, and these large dozers are suitable for large scale mining, quarrying, and heavy constructions. Bulldozers are mainly used for the following operations: 1. Spreading the earth field. 2. Opening up pilot roads for mountainous and rocky terrains. 3. Clearing construction sites. Then maintaining haul roads. Another application you can have clearing land from the trees and stumps. Then you can also have backfilling trenches at construction sites by dragging the earth from one place to another.
Hello everyone, my name is Musana Ibrahim, a year 3 student, Makerere University. As we have been given an assignment to present about earth moving equipment, and we know as far as construction is concerned, we have so many earth moving equipments, and of those particular type of equipments, I'm tasked to talk about scrapers as one of the earth moving equipments. I'll define scrapers. These are a tool or device used in scraping, especially for removing dirt, paint, or any other unwanted matter from the surface. Or you can as well define scraper as a large piece of equipment used in mining, construction, agriculture, and other earth moving application. The rear part has a vertical movable hopper, also known as the bowl, with a sharp horizontal front edge. As you'll see through those photos we have attached, some of the forms of the scrapers we have in different formats. I will also go ahead and say scrapers are a result of a compromise between the best loading and the best hauling machines. Scrapers are used to scrape the ground, load it simultaneously, transport it over distance, dump it at the desired place, and then spread all layered. The ability of these machines to deposit loads in uniform thick layers will facilitate the succeeding spreading operations. On the other return trips, to borrow pits, cutting blades or scrapers may be lowered enough to remove high spots, thereby assisting in maintaining the haul roads. Thus, scrapers are designed to dig, load, haul, dump, and spread. Therefore, sometimes it's called carry-all. It essentially consists of large scoop provided with cutting edge. The scoop is in form of a bucket on a hollow container, which is also known as a bowl or body. The scoop can excavate, transport, dump the material wherever required. The cutting edge of of the scoop does the excavation work, and the excavated material goes on collecting in the bowl from the front edge. The material is transported to the site of dumping, and it is then taken out from the tailgate of the, then facilitate the succeeding spreading operation to required and uniform thick layer. We have several types of scrapers, and as we'll describe below, scrapers may be broadly classified in two main categories. One is the crawler truck scraper. They can also be wheel truck scrapers. Single engine, they can be single engine, twin engine, double ball tandem, elevating scrapers. So we also go ahead and describe another equipment used in earth movement, and this is a dumper. A dumper is a vehicle designed for carrying bulk material, often on the building sites. Dumper is also known as a dump truck. Can also as well be known as a motor vehicle, which is specially designed and constructed for carrying heavy loads under various operation conditions. Can be called dumpers. These are meant for carrying rocks, coal, minerals, aggregates, and any other material in construction sites. Dumpers may also be on the road vehicle or off-road vehicles. On-road dumpers are generally used on normal roads, such as road construction, while off-road means the vehicle is used apart from the good roads, i.e. in terrains like in dam construction and mines. As you can see, we have some examples of dumpers. We also went ahead and differentiated between the old and the new dumpers. As you can see on your left hand, you have old version of the dumpers, and as you look on the right hand, you'll see the new type of the dumpers, the commonly known as trucks on our local language, because those are the main common ones which are known locally. We can also classify dumpers by the capacity and the size. Small capacities, these range between 5 to 10 tons, and mean dumpers, e.g. Thorweights, range between 1 to 2 tons. Small site dumpers, they can be a JCB, they can be 3DX, and they can be 4DX. Suitable for small scale project, landscaping, and agriculture. We have medium capacity dumpers. These range between 10 to 20 tons. They can be used for agriculture, and they can be, anticipated dump trucks, e.g. Volvo 825, Caterpillar 725, rigid. Number 2, we have rigid frame dumper trucks, e.g. Caterpillar 140, Kamastu 730. These are basically ideal for construction, road maintenance, and medium scale mining. As you will see the attached photo below, how one of the dumper looks like. We have large capacity dumpers. These range between 20 to 40 tons. For example, number 1, we have large ADTs, e.g. Caterpillar 740, Kamastu 930, large rigid frame as our number 2, dump trucks, e.g. Caterpillar 160 and Volvo A40. Suitable for large scale mining and quarrying and heavy construction. Large extra capacity, those are about 40 tons. For example, we have the ultra class ADTs, Caterpillar 797, Kamastu 980. We have heavy haul trucks. These are basically designed for massive mining and construction projects, as you can see below. We go ahead and say construction features of the dumper is similar to that of heavy duty trucks, except a high strength container of the trolley is mounted at the back side of the cabin, and a hydraulic assisted load raising and lowering facility is provided for dumping material in the trolley. Some dumpers may have two hydraulic cylinders, and the size of the rear wheel and the number of rear axes may vary with load carrying capacity and mode of operation. Suspension at the front is rigid elliptical type, and at the rear, heavy duty leaf springs are provided to absorb high impact loading under severe operation conditions. Container for the dumper is specially constructed to withstand ill handlings, heavy duty air cleaner, filter, share-proof mountings of all instruments, dust-proof, electrical system, and cushion mountings for radiator may be present in some dumper trucks. Dumpers play an important role in dam construction, road marking, mining, etc. For example, carrying materials and dumping at required place quickly and conveniently. The other equipment we went ahead to look at, which is used for earth movement, the so commonly known as grader. In the picture below, you will see one of the graders, which is commonly seen on locally. We went ahead and defined a grader, also commonly referred to as a road grader, a blade maintainer, constructional machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface. A typical models have 3 axles, with the engine and the cab situated above the rear axle at one end, and the vehicle and the third axle at the front end of the vehicle, with the blade in between. As you see that picture, you'll see the blade is between the tires. It is between the front and the back axle. The other equipment we looked at, and the last equipment, was the trencher. As you can hear from the word trench, it is simply used in making trenches. Trenchers are similar to excavators in earth, breaking soil and rock and remove it from the ground. Trenchers differ from the excavators in that the soil is removed in one continuous movement. For example, you will see that equipment below is also known as a trencher. Ahead and also thought of buying and hiring earth moving equipment. Which one is the best option you will go with? So here we considered the following factors to determine whether hiring or buying is more cost effective. One, we looked at equipment usage. For example, hours and years is one of the key considerations you need to think about if you are to hire or buy one of the earth moving equipments. For example, if the project is to take so many years, I would prefer buying than hiring, because if you hire it, at the end of the project, you will realize that the cost of buying will surpass the cost of hiring will surpass the cost of buying. So I would opt for buying the equipment if I'm to use it for a long period of time. The other one is the rental rates. If the rental rates are so high, why would I rent other than buying the equipment? The other one is purchase price. Is the purchase price lower or higher? If the purchase price is so high and my work period is short, I would just opt for hiring. Maintenance and repair costs. how often do I have to maintain? How many times do I have to maintain? Repair cost is also one of the key considerations you have to look at when you are going to either choose to make a decision on buying or hiring. The other one is expected equipment lifespan. How often, how long can it work? How long can it be there for the project? So that one is also a key consideration. The other one is interest rates and financing. If the cost of hiring is so attached with a high interest rate, why would I hire? I opt to go and buy. If the finances allows, I just go and buy an equipment instead of hiring. So these are the general guidelines if you are to make a decision. One is hire equipment. If you are to hire, what should you consider? One is, am I going to use the equipment for a short-term project, for example, less than 6 months? Infrequent or seasonal usage, specialized or high-tech equipment. So those are one of the major factors you have to think about if you are going to hire an equipment. If you are going to buy, what should you consider? One is long-term projects, for example, greater than 2 years. You should think of buying an equipment instead of hiring. Frequent or continuous usage. How am I going to use the equipment frequently? Or am I going to be using it once in a while? It is one of the key considerations. If you are going to use it continuously, I would advise you to go and buy the equipment instead of hiring. Then standardization equipment. You need to think about the standard of the equipment and then the quality of the work you are going to produce. So thank you very much. This is group 3, and our main consideration was to talk about the earth moving equipment. I thank everyone. I thank our lecturer, Dr. Apollo Blejeya, my fellow colleagues, though some have not made it to attend for some reasons, but we really worked as a group to ensure we come up with this kind of presentation, and we hope it communicates the task given to us. Thank you very much.